Welcome to Cool Cash Cows. I'm Cool Cash Cow Connie, and here's a big money moo-moo to you for joining our Cool Cash Cow community and making money online with us today. Today I will be giving you the full scoop on crypto arbitrage and some best practices that you can immediately put into action with this method of stock exchange. Be sure to stick around to the very end of this video because I will be giving away a tool that can help boost your success rate along with your arbitrage journey. Now let's jump into the crypto. But before we do, if you want to make money online or make more money online, slap that subscribe button and start making money online today. Now, what exactly is crypto arbitrage? To know what crypto arbitrage is, you must first understand what the term arbitrage means and what cryptocurrency is. Cryptocurrency is defined as any form of currency that exists digitally or virtually and uses cryptography to secure transactions. According to Wikipedia, arbitrage is an economical and financial term that describes the practice of taking advantage of a difference in prices in two or more markets. So now that we have a good idea of what arbitrage means, let's add some crypto to it. Simply put, crypto arbitrage is the trading strategy of buying cryptocurrency, which is a digital asset, on one exchange, then almost immediately selling that same digital asset on another exchange that has a higher price. So basically, with crypto arbitrage, you buy low and sell high, very quickly. Now that you know what it is, you are probably wondering how much money can be made with crypto arbitrage. So here's the thing. Even though you do not need to be a professional or have expertise in arbitrage, you still must know what you are doing in order to maximize your profits. You must have a good and clear understanding of how markets, networks, and exchange operate cohesively and individually. Earnings on average can range from $10 per day to $1,000 per week. However, if you are unaware and if you don't respond quickly, you will miss out on a boatload of arbitrage opportunities. Now let me tell you about some of the diverse types of arbitrages you may take advantage of. There are a number of ways that investors can make money in the arbitrage market. One way is by triangular arbitrage. This is when a trader capitalizes on the price differences on three digital assets within the same exchange. The trader can start with one asset, convert it to another asset, then convert back to the original asset, all within the same triangular loop. Another form of arbitrage is what's known as cross-exchange arbitrage. This is the most basic form of arbitrage that mostly all traders know. This is simply the process of buying on one exchange and selling on another exchange. Special arbitrage is another type. In a nutshell, special arbitrage is very similar to cross-exchange arbitrage. The difference between the two is location. The exchanges are physically located in different places, and that is what makes these arbitrages, and I quote, special. For those who are interested in the loan side of things, flash loan arbitrage is a great option. The way that this works is that traders are allowed to borrow huge amounts of digital coins and they don't need collateral. The result is an astounding fluctuation of market rates, thereby giving traders the opportunity to arbitrage. What are some advantages of crypto arbitrage? For starters, there is always some risk involved when it comes to trading. However, with arbitrage, you are only looking to trade on price differences. This makes arbitrage low risk as compared to traditional trading. Another advantage is that arbitrage can take place very quickly. A long period of waiting is not necessary for a positive turnaround on your investment. The third win for you is that arbitrage is not just a fly-by-night trading technique that everyone is now using only because it's trending. On the contrary, arbitrage has been around for a long time, and people have been benefiting from it for years. It's a proven method which can work for you as well. Now let's talk about some of the negative aspects of crypto arbitrage. One is that there are fees associated with the trading process. This means that you have to calculate each fee into your investing budget. Sometimes these fees can get in the way of your investing. Not only are there fees, but sometimes your funds may be held or tied up. Another disadvantage is that you may not be able to keep up with all that is going on in the exchanges. This means that you may need to use a bot that will do the work for you. The bot may be expensive because it will need to function on a high level at all times to ensure that you do not miss out on any arbitrage opportunities. The bot will need to keep a close watch on your entire operation. One of the greatest advantages is that just like any stock market, there are also crashes with digital assets as well. There are a number of factors that could contribute to a crash, but very possible. Now that you have all the information that you need to arbitrage like a pro, your next step is to research, and research. Find out what some of the top crypto arbitrage platforms are. And a must is that you search out the top crypto arbitrage bots. For a list of the top crypto arbitrage bots, stick around to the very end of this video. As promised at the beginning of this video, I will now reveal and give you a free tool that will help boost your success rate along your crypto arbitrage journey. Every successful investor will tell you that organization is mandatory for all types of trading. Failing to be organized can result in massive profit losses. For this reason, I am giving you your very own crypto arbitrage purchase ledger. This ledger will allow you to track your purchases in an organized way. Included is the date of purchase, coin/token symbol, exchange, price per unit, dollar amount spent, deposit fee, exchange fee, units purchased, network transaction fee, and everything else you need to successfully track and monitor your trading progress. Want to know what bots have proven to be successful for crypto arbitrage? Click the video on the screen now to find out.